SPGC stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sachs Parente Golf stock is sitting at good 63 cents. It's 14% up. Context, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years and spent thousands on courses and mentors, and just observing SPGC, you probably will notice that I have my, I'm trying to take things up, you know, I'm trying to take the highs out. It is not going to be me forcing buys, although would be nice, but the only thing that's actually going to propel me towards that long side is the price coming down and then breaking for a second time, right? That retracement is crucial, because if it does not happen, I just simply am not going to be a part of this potential movement. And that's completely fine from my end, you know, I really would not care. I have all these other tickers, so there's like no need to force anything. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. So goodbye.